Tesla to 15,000, 22,000? Today you'll get my thoughts on the recent run-up and what I think is going to happen in the future, so let's go. So as we all know, Tesla went on a huge run the past week or so, and I needed time to process this. Before we get started, guys, please subscribe and hit that notifications bell. By the way, guys, this is not stock advice or anything else. This is just purely for entertainment purposes only, so please don't sue me if you lose your shirt, or send me a picture of that. My office was going crazy about Tesla stock, but for me, I needed time to process what was going on and really determine the truth behind the run-up. In every single feed that I have on YouTube, or just when I was searching for the news, Tesla stock was right there front and center. And when I really started looking and reading, most of them were just predictions and rumors. ARK Investing predicts $15,000 per share, maybe even as high as $22,000 per share. And then I read another one that said Google was going to buy for $1,500 per share. Don't get me wrong, Tesla with the backing of Google would be incredible, but I just don't see any way Elon Musk is going to sell that company. The man's already a billionaire, and unless you're going to make him a trillionaire or something absolutely ridiculous, he seems like he thrives on the, well, ludicrous. And as you look at these predictions, keep in mind they're all being made in a vacuum. They put up these pretty charts and these pretty graphs that show if this and this and this happens, this is what the share price is going to be. But the reality with any stock and any company is there are far more things outside of Tesla's control that could stifle that march to $15,000 a share. Here in a few months we have the election. Seems like war has been a possibility lately. The banks play a huge influence in this. Other countries are also a player since Tesla has factories around the world. And oh, by the way, if there's a recession, either domestic or global, it's going to absolutely hurt their business. So when I see a chart that looks like this, it's a cause for pause for myself. What factors drove that price? I love the fact that they issued another $2 billion worth of stock. That's really going to give them a lot of capital to help drive that growth. It's still not enough to fuel the growth needed to hit $15,000 per share. Having said all these things, I do think Tesla is going to thrive, and they have absolutely disrupted that industry. And more importantly, they have been doing things to set themselves up for the long term. But please don't let any of these charts and graphs sway you into thinking that those numbers at $15,000 to $22,000 is realistic in the next year. Not gonna happen. So for myself personally, it's a buy and hold company for the long term. Well, that's it for the video, guys. Please comment down below and let me know what you think is gonna happen to Tesla stock in the next year. Are you buying? Are you selling? Did you own any before? Do you wish you owned some before the big run up? Comment down below and let me know. So please subscribe and hit that notifications bell because I really need subscribers. And give this video a thumbs up as well. Thanks.